Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on Motion Animation Pro, which is a huge collection of animated elements and some really cool transitions. These are just some examples of the types of motion animations and transitions that you can expect in this massive bundle. Included in the front-end product are over 1,000 motion animations, over 500 motion transitions, and you get a royalty-free license for your personal as well as commercial projects. To use Motion Animation Pro on your client projects, you will need to get the upgrade, which includes the developer's license as well as many more additional assets. During launch, the front-end product will cost $19 one time, but the price will increase to $27 on a dime sale, which means that the price will keep increasing with every sale. The developer's license upgrade will cost $37 one time and will include additional motion animations and transitions. With your purchase of Motion Animation Pro, I will give you a couple of useful bonuses too, which include hundreds of music tracks and sound effects that you can use in your video projects. These motion animations and transitions come in various formats like MOV with alpha channel, GIF, MP4, SWF, and FLV, making them versatile to work in multiple programs. If you use Explaindio 3.0, the current format of SWF files are not compatible. I've mentioned it to the owner, and I'm hoping that he will provide a format that works in EVC 3.0. But overall, I think this is a great product with a massive collection of useful video creation assets which you can buy at an incredible price. You can check the link in the description section to learn more. Well, hope you found this review useful. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and thanks for watching.